Those cameras are shaking all over the place out there from some of the wind that we're getting. This is I-71 near Fifth Avenue for us right now. It seems a little bit more calm.
Just even walking into your house, your whatever building you're walking into today, the grocery store, you're feeling it. You feel like you need to walk a little sideways to combat that. That's right.
Well, we've been leaning into the weekend for a while for many reasons. Of course, Thanksgiving tomorrow, Black Friday on Friday. Game up north on Saturday and probably Sunday, a big travel day.
Sure.
Something to talk about each one of those days. But before we get there this evening, the wind gust 35, 40 miles an hour, and it's going to hang tough for the next couple of hours. So be ready.
5-alarm hair gel day.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good so far. Hopefully it lasts till 11 o'clock.
It's not going to work for me, guys. Sorry.
Just fine. You got the supermodel look with the hair going out there. Weather-wise, right now we're tracking a couple of sprinkles and showers too. Take a look at the radar scan for us, showing what appears to be a couple of flurries north of Columbus and Franklin County, around Delaware, back toward Marysville in Union County, and back toward Bellefontaine. Maybe a few of those reaching the ground, traveling out 33, but just about anywhere else, reasonably dry and cloudy and windy and cold. We started off this Wednesday morning around 50 degrees. We're currently sitting in the 30s, and you can clearly see how fast any of those little pockets of flurries are moving on through. That wind is still picking up and staying up, gusting at times again over 30 miles an hour. Right now, temperatures, Marysville only 34 degrees. Columbus, Lancaster, Newark at 38, Circleville at 39. Look at the temperature drop over the past 24 hours, between 17 and 21 degrees, and we're not done falling as we get into the 20s tomorrow morning. For the rest of this evening, though, for the most part, safe for a sprinkle or a flurry, cloudy and breezy, and for the most part dry. Downtown right now, looking at the clouds continuing off into the distance. Traffic moving pretty well on this Thanksgiving Eve Wednesday. We're 38 right now, feels like 29. And keep that math in mind because tomorrow morning, temperatures will be in the 20s. The wind chill will be in the teens. And we're still going to have that west wind at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. It's happening right now and will go right through tonight. Your evening short-term forecast, temperatures will drop and that slide continues slowly into tomorrow morning. 34, 33 and back down to the 20s when you wake up. Wind chill tomorrow morning really will be the issue. It's going to feel about 15 to 20 degrees. So not quite as gusty as it is this evening, mercifully, but still brisk start to your Thanksgiving morning. Tomorrow's forecast does have temperatures bouncing back, but only a few degrees. Upper 20s in the morning, low to mid 30s in the afternoon. We'll see a little bit of sunshine as we finish the day, especially central and southern parts of the viewing area, and even more sunshine on Friday, but it's not going to matter. The northwest winds just reinforce that cold air, so even some late November sunshine is not going to do the trick. In fact, some spots to the north will see very little sun and may see a few snow showers on Friday. Bucyrus, Mount Gilead, Mount Vernon, and Coshocton over toward Cambridge. That should fade by Friday evening. Clear skies, lighter winds into Saturday, and that will portend a cold start to the weekend. 7-day forecast has those details now. 35 tomorrow, a very blustery day, but for the most part dry. A couple of snow showers north on Friday, but ending the day dry, 36. Saturday morning dry, 21, back up to the 30s and 40s. That 10% chance, that's a rain or a snow shower, but more than likely late afternoon into Saturday night. Could see a mixed bag of precipitation on Sunday, meaning some rain showers in the morning, a break, snow showers with slowly falling temperatures of the 2 days. If you or anybody you know is traveling, Saturday will be the better choice. Monday, we're dry, cold, breezy, back to school and work. More of the same Tuesday and Wednesday, more rain or snow showers, temperatures stuck in the mid 30s.